Welcome to Edu4U, your go-to source for all things education. In today's video, we will be discussing the benefits of pursuing a master's degree and the various options available to you. We understand that financing your education can be a concern. That's where master loans come into play. Edu4U offers a range of financial assistance options to help you pursue your dreams without breaking the bank. With flexible repayment terms and competitive interest rates, our master loans ensure that you can focus on your studies and worry less about the financial burden. One of the key decisions to make when pursuing a master's degree is choosing between online and on-campus programs. Online programs offer flexibility, allowing you to study at your own pace and from the comfort of your home. On the other hand, attending classes on campus provides you with a more immersive learning experience and the opportunity to network with peers and professors. Consider your personal preferences, schedule, and learning style to determine which option suits you best. Now let's talk about the entry requirements and application documents you'll need to submit when applying for a master's degree. While specific requirements may vary depending on the program and university, common prerequisites include a bachelor's degree from an accredited institution, a minimum GPA, and standardized test scores such as the GRE or GMAT. Additionally, you may be required to submit letters of recommendation, a statement of purpose, and an updated resume. How it works. If you're interested, you need to contact us on WhatsApp. Our consultants will help you choose a university and course. Then we'll do your application online, and finally you can start the university. Remember that our help is free. Pursuing the master's degree can be a transformative experience that opens doors to countless opportunities. Whether you choose to study online or on campus, Edu4U is here to support you every step of the way. Don't let financial constraints hold you back. Take advantage of our master loans. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Visit our website at edu4u.uk/masters to explore the various master's degree programs available. If you have any questions, contact us on WhatsApp. We'll gladly assist you.